I am Lakshmi, working in Bangalore International Academy as a faculty of preschool. This time I am going to do the wheat flour activity with the help of wheat flour and colors what we have at home. I am going to do colorful diyas. So we can't go outside and buy any stationeries what we need. I am doing the activity what we have at home. That is, I am using wheat flours and colors. This is green color, this is blue color, this is yellow color turmeric, and this is orange, and this is red color. By using these colors, I am doing a colorful diyas. Now I am going to use green color to this wheat flour and mix this nicely and add water to it. Now make a proper ball. Make a proper dough. Now I am going to show you how to make a diya. Press make diya shape, press we can use toothpicks or matchsticks to make a design on diya. Different designs of diyas by using wheat flour and colors what we have at home. That is turmeric, sindoor, and holy colors whatever you have at home. Home. Bye. Stay safe.